Okay, back working on the 87 GMC again. New brake pads. This time there's a part number. Some cheap pads, pretty common. Caliper on this side's hanging up quite a bit, so I'll rip that off and see what's going on in there. See how quick we can get this done before the sun goes down. To get the caliper off, you need to remove this Allen bolt here, but these are usually always rusted in place and they break off all the time, so it's good to get a little helper on there. Some vice grips. Along with that, get some WD-40 in there and just work it back and forth, and it will come out. You might have to put some heat on it if it's really bad. This one's not too bad. Coming right out. And from there, you get a punch and beat out. This whole clip here comes out, and that's what holds your caliper in place. She was pretty free. So here's your plate. A little tension spring holds everything together. This is probably why it was so tight. It's all corroded and just needs to be cleaned up and lubed. It's been a while. So you're just going to want to clean up all these surfaces. Down here, get yourself a wire brush. Make sure all this stuff is clean. Okay, next we got to compress the caliper to make room for the new pads for the C-clamp, but before we do that, I'm going to pop the cap off your reservoir. So, yeah, it's definitely going to overflow. Just put something under it to catch it, the excess brake fluid. Make sure it doesn't leak all over your nice car. This truck's not nice, so I really don't care, but you might. So now we have that split. You come in here, grab your old brake pad, and get it in there somehow. Get your C-clamp, and push that piston in to make room for the new pad. That's what you're looking for, your piston to be pushed all the way in. Make sure there's no leaks around here. If it's leaking, you need a new caliper. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put some brake grease on everything, lube it up. This thing sits a lot, so it's a chore trying to fend off the rust. On. You can install your spring. Your compression piece only goes in one way, the outside in. Start it slow, it will go in. until you line your holes up. That's about right. Grab your Allen. Okay, that's it. Put your reservoir cap back on, check the fluid level, pump the brakes before you take it for a drive, and it's done.